Andersonville Prison, Confederate prisoner of war camp, was built during the final 14 months of the American Civil War. The historic site contains the Anderson National Cemetery and the National Prisoner of War Museum. Andersonville had a horrible reputation, and soldiers begged to be shot rather than be sent there. It was overcrowded to 4 times its capacity, with an inadequate water supply, inadequate food, and unsanitary conditions. Of the approximately 45,000 Union prisoners held at Andersonville during the war, nearly 13,000 of them died. Chief causes of death were scurvy, diarrhea, and dysentery. At this stage of the war, Andersonville Prison was frequently undersupplied with food. The Confederacy was struggling to obtain sufficient supplies of food, not only for the prisoners, but for the civilians and the soldiers. The prisoners having less food than anyone and became severely emasculated and suffered from scurvy, which was probably the cause of the high mortality rate. There were no new clothes available to the prisoners, so when men died, the clothes that they had were taken off of them and given to others that had more need.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.